Hi there everyone, welcome back to Raqmedia channel, your go-to source for all things tech and AI. Here with Izzadeen.
Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to bypass the Wi-Fi setup during Windows 11 installation. If you're having trouble connecting to the internet during the installation process, this tutorial is for you. First, press Ctrl and Alt and Delete to open the Task Manager and end network connection flow. Second, go through the initial setup screens until you reach that Let's connect you to a network screen. Press Shift and F10 to launch command prompt. In command prompt, type the following command, oobe/bypassmro and press enter. The computer will restart automatically, and the out-of-box experience, OOBE, will start again. Select the region and keyboard settings again to get to the network connection page. Click the I don't have internet option. Click the Continue with limited setup option. Click the Accept button, if applicable. Confirm the name of the local default account on Windows 11. Click the Next button and create a password for the local account. And that's it. You should now be able to install and set up Windows 11 without an internet connection. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.